Welcome back. This video is going to show you how to create a logo for free in under 5 minutes. This video is aimed at those of you that have no graphics experience, and that means that it can be followed by anyone. At the end of the video you may have your own logo for your channel, profile picture, business card or business in general. The only limitations with the free version of your logo is that the maximum resolution is 500 by 500 pixels and you will have to have a solid colour background, but these should be no issues if you want to use your logo as a profile picture. You can purchase extra perks if you wish on the designer as well. We're going to be using Design Evo to create our logo. It's completely based within your browser, so there's no need to download any software other than the final logo. The link will be in the description, so let's get started. You want to come to the home page here and click the Make a Free Logo button in the center. The designer will now load up and it will give you the option to choose one of the many, I think there's well over 4,000 templates to choose from. So you can see that there's the popular ones on this screen. This screen will change a lot, so if you've seen similar ones before they might not be always on the screen, but we have all the categories down the left hand side. We can choose any of those relating to what business we want to create the logo for. For example, if we head down to technology and communication, it will then filter all of the templates and give us the ones that are related to technology and communication. So we just need to find one that we like that we can get started on. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. It is a one with multiple colours, so I thought that would be a good one to choose. Once you click on your chosen one, it will pop up asking you to put in your company name and your slogan. We're going to leave it as company name and slogan here just for the purpose of this video, but you would obviously put in your respective names and text in here. Then you click get started. Then it will load up in the editor, and it's simple to use. That's why I've chosen this piece of software to actually make this video. We can start by changing the colours of the element, the main element, which is the logo itself. If we click on that, it will be the same whichever element you've got as your starting logo. We've then got the colour options. There might not be 3, there might only be 1, but it's pretty self-explanatory how to change the colours on there. We've got 3 different blues. We could change the complete look of this logo by perhaps doing more of a red or orange type. If we go for a bright red there, choose this light blue, do a bright orange, and then for this blue perhaps different orange again, something like that. We can then choose a colour for the text. Obviously we wouldn't want it blue, so to change that, click on it once and then the colours up there to change. Obviously you might want to spend a bit extra time on it, but it's so simple that you can really do this in a matter of minutes if you know what you want. Slogan here, we'll change that to a different colour as well. We'll make that red. In fact no, we'll make it an orange so that it has some sort of look to it. You can drag and drop your elements and text. You can use the guidelines that it has to centre it all up, which we can do like that. Obviously something that you want to do. To change the text itself, we've got some art formed text which is all ready for you, so you can choose a different one and it will completely change it. You can see we've got the option to change the colour up here as well. If we go for one that's remotely similar, alright, that might not go, but it's got the colours right. Oh, that looks hideous, but you get the idea of how it would work. So once you've got a logo that you're happy with, I've just decided to go with similar colours here so you get an idea. If you click preview, you can see how your logo might look on different bits of information such as a business card or letter. If you go ahead and click download, you can see the payment options. The free version is there on the left, but if you want to go for a paid version, paid package, you can do if you want. You can see the benefits of it. A higher resolution and a transparent background might be helpful, and for $20 it's not too bad. To be able to download it for free, you do have to give Design Evo credit, and you can copy the code and paste it on your website, or you can share Design Evo by clicking one of the icons here. So that's it. Click download and agree, share them or give them credit, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you've been able to create a logo that you like and that you're happy with, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.